Hello and welcome to this Trinity video, which introduces the module Rapid Mapping of a Production System in a Virtual Environment. The module is a part of the Trinity use case Production Flow Simulation/Supervision. In this video, we will present requirements for the training, concept of the module, application of the module and where the module can be used, benefits of the training, describe the video structure of this series, and at the end, conclusion and next steps. Requirements. So this module, it requires a simulation software. In our case, we will be using visual components. In addition to the simulation software, this module does also require a mobile robot which can scan an environment. Also, similar scanning tools can be used for this module. Concept and approach. The module showcases an effective method to scan a manufacturing environment and create a digital twin from this scan. The digital twin copy or copy of the manufacturing environment is created in a simulation software, which can be used for testing, simulation of the manufacturing system, and optimization of the system. In this case, a mobile robot is used to scan an area, such as a laboratory or a factory or a manufacturing system. The scan is then afterwards imported to a simulation software where a digital twin copy of the physical environment is created. This digital twin copy can then again be used for simulation and testing. Application of the module. As mentioned before, the module showcases how to create a digital twin of a manufacturing environment. The digital twin, it can be used for monitoring the system, simulation and optimization of the manufacturing system, and it can also be used to see if new and large machinery do actually fit in the manufacturing environment. This module is relevant for both the manufacturing industry and also automotive industry. Benefits of the training. So this module, it will give insight into the development of digital twins of a physical system. In addition, these training videos will also showcase how to use the digital twin you have created in a simulation software. The structure of the series. So the second video, it will showcase how to scan the manufacturing environment with our mobile robot, which is the MIR 100. The third video, it will showcase importing the scan into Visual Component, which is the simulation tool, and building the digital twin environment in the simulation software. The fourth video will showcase how to use this digital twin you have already created. In this video, we have introduced the module, shown the requirements, the concept, the application, but also the benefit of the module, and we have described the video structure. If you are interested in more tutorials on this module or other use cases, please follow the links in the description. Thank you for watching this Trinity module introduction video.